Smarter, safer, and way more enjoyable driving. That's what these insane car gadgets are all about. Welcome to Consumer Side, where today we're answering one big question. How can you make every ride smoother, safer, and way cooler? If you want to transform your car into something truly special, hit that subscribe button, because this is just the beginning. One-handed magnetic glasses holder. This one-handed glasses holder changes everything. With a rock-solid N52 magnet, it locks your shades in place. No slips, no drops, even over potholes. Just pull the cord and grab your glasses in 1 second. Safe, smooth, distraction-free. It clips onto any visor, scratch-free, installs in seconds, and comes in styles for every ride. Car seat side organizer. Ever lose your phone, keys, or snacks under the seat? This stretchable side organizer fixes that instantly. Straps on in seconds. No tools, no hassle. 2 mesh pockets and 1 zippered pocket. Keep your essentials right where you need them. It fits almost any car or SUV and actually holds up. No more mess, no more searching. Once you try it, you'll never drive without it. Compact HUD Speedometer. This compact heads-up speedometer might blow your mind. It locks onto 32 satellites with dual GPS plus BDS signals for lightning-fast, real-time speed data. Day or night, its auto-brightness screen adjusts instantly, even with sunglasses on. And the best part? It's plug and play on any car, bike, or truck. No setup, no stress, sleek, safe, and seriously addictive. Bluetooth OBD2. Diagnostic tool, check engine light just popped up. Panic over. This tiny Bluetooth gadget plugs into your car and instantly shows what's wrong on your phone. Read and clear codes, track speed, RPM, battery health, live. It works on almost every car since '96. Ford, Toyota, BMW, Jeep, you name it. Forget costly mechanic trips. Scan in seconds and drive smarter. Devil eyes. LED windshield display. Ever seen a car with eyes that talk back? These Devil Eyes LED displays stick right onto your windshield. Paper-thin, flexible panels bend to any curve. Use the app to flash custom animations, blinks, winks, even text or graphics in full color. Bright enough for night, rain, or fog, and installs in minutes. No glue, just tape and USB. It's not just lights, it's personality for your ride. 10.25-inch CarPlay entertainment screen. Turn every drive into a movie theater with this 10.25-inch CarPlay screen. Stream Netflix, YouTube, or live sports. Just connect to a hotspot. The ultra-clear in-cell display makes maps and movies look first class. With 1080p backup camera, instant wake wireless CarPlay, and Android Auto, and split-screen multitasking. This is pure driving freedom. Once you try it, your car will never feel basic again. Rooftop cargo carrier need more space. This rooftop cargo carrier changes everything. With 21 cubic feet of storage, it holds up to 8 suitcases, tents, or sleeping bags, freeing up space inside. 10 reinforced straps and an anti-slip mat keep it secure, even on rough highways. Made from 700 DPVC with double waterproof layers, it protects your gear from rain, wind, and dust. Rails or no rails, installs in minutes and road trip ready. Portable car fridge. This portable fridge is a total game changer. With a grab-and-go handle, take it camping, tailgating, or on long trips. It chills or freezes from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Keeping food and drinks perfect even in 90 degrees Fahrenheit heat. Holds up to 25 cans. Runs 8.5 hours on a detachable battery. And you can control it from your phone. Compact, powerful, and built for the road. LRTR Windshield. Strobe lights. These LRTR strobe lights are crazy bright. 5 times brighter than standard, even in daylight, without blinding at night. Just plug into your cigarette lighter, choose from 26 flash patterns, and boom, you're instantly visible. Built tough with aluminum housing, over 50,000 hours lifespan, and suction cups that won't fall off. Fits any 12 to 24 volt vehicle. A must-have for rescue, hazard, or emergency use. Door-mounted cup holder plus coin organizer running out of cup holders. This gadget adds one instantly, right on your car door. No tools, no hassle, just slides in. It holds coffee bottles, juice boxes, and prevents spills on bumpy roads. Plus, you get a smart coin organizer. Quarters, dimes, nickels, pennies, all in reach. Strong, compact, and super convenient.